a very warm welcome to all of you on behalf of me and my entire team at The Other Song. There are some of you here who are my patients, some colleagues, and for those of you who don't know me, I'm Dr. Bhavisha Joshi. I also want to congratulate and wish all the women here a very, very happy Women's Day. I often have a lot of my patients, women especially, who come to me and then they say, Doc, don't you think being a woman is a thankless job? You're running errands, you're looking after children, you're managing your home, you're managing the school, you're managing work, you're doing so much at a time, and it goes so uncredited. Don't you feel so? And then I thought to myself, yes, that is one thing. And then I thought, well, I also do a lot of workshops. I do stress workshops, I do workshops on diabetes, I do pediatric workshops. But how come I haven't ever thought of doing a woman workshop? Yeah? So it was one of these things that got me to think that we should be doing something for us women. And then Devang, of course, my assistant at The Other Song, and Sadaf, they pushed me. They said, ma'am, do something, organize something, and we'll create a women's workshop. And then I said, yes, of course, I would love to do this. So that's how we thought of this idea of doing a women's workshop. And then I thought of also inviting my dear friend Drupti Delia. She's a gynecologist. In some time, she's going to start talking to all of us. And we put up something together for all of us women. And the idea today in this workshop is going to be about women's problems, of course, but it's going to stress on why have women's problems increased in today's time, and also how much and to what extent can we help them with homeopathy. And before we start the whole event, I would like to start on a spiritual note. So I thought of inviting somebody very, very special to sing us some prayers in Sanskrit. I would like to introduce to you Dr. Mrs. Sunanda Joshi. She's worked at a managerial post in Reserve Bank of India for 28 years, following which she pursued her MA in Sanskrit and then went on to do a PhD in Sanskrit. She also now has a book called Trends of Philosophical Thought in Mahabharata. She's also done her Visharad or graduation in Indian classical music. And there is one little achievement that I've forgotten to tell you about, and that is, she's my mother-in-law.
Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Hari Om. Ishavasyamidam sarva yatkincha jagadan jagat tena tena bhunjitha ma grudakasya svitanam Sahana bhavatu Sahana bhunaktu सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
जरी होत असेल तरी आपण त्यातून बाहेर येऊ. तुमच्याकडे यायचं हे 2 आठवड्यापासून पण वाटलं होतं की असं थोडंफार रागराग चिडचिड होती. चिडचिड रागराग म्हणून म्हणजे डिप्रेशन म्हणून असं नाही, ते ॲटलिस्ट वेंट आउट होतं. हे कसं होतंय की हे वेंट आउट पण नाही करता येते आणि हे कुठेतरी आतल्या आत त्रास होतो. रागाला एखादी गोष्ट मॅनेज करते मी असं, म्हणजे माझ्या अँगलनुसार मुलाला पण माहिती होतं मला की बोलली फाईन बोला गुड दॅट इज नॉट अ फायदा. हे काय होतं म्हणजे हे आता कुठेतरी इतकं सेटल डाऊन झालं ना की असं वाटतं की नाहीच जमणार. ते कसं अँगर आउट वेंट आउट पण आहे हो की तुम्ही काहीच करत नाही, कारण तू उचलत नाही, कुठे करत नाही, तू असं करत नाही, तसं तू मदत करत नाही, आमच्या म्हणायचं तू वेळच्या आंघोळ करत नाही, तू जेवण करत नाही वगैरे सांगत असते, पण माहीत असतं काहीतरी बदल होईल त्यांच्यात. आता आय हॅव कम टू टर्म्स की म्हणजे नाही आता काही बदल होऊ शकणार सिच्युएशनमध्ये, किंवा कुठेतरी माहिती मला त्याच्या बाहेर असं वाटतं की नाही आता माझ्यात पण काही बदल होऊ शकेल असं वाटत नाही.
She was totally hopeless. She was just totally hopeless. I just want you to bear with me for 2 minutes, because if you now see, I'm going to stop this video, and if you see just the change in this woman within just 1 month. She took my medication for 1 month, and then I didn't see her. She was totally disappeared. Then she started coming to me for her daughter. Yeah, that at 4 months, she has a little bit of diarrhea, check her. And I looked at her and she was a completely different woman. And I said, what happened, And she said, your medication, doctor, it's worked wonders. In fact, she has referred me so many other patients with postpartum depression and all kinds of depression. Just the change in her now. Let me tell you, she resumed work again. Within a month or two, she started working. Her maids left, her maids came. She had to manage to put the child in daycare. She managed that. She lost a lot of weight. Why? Because she started getting more active at home instead of groggy and getting depressed. She found a way out to make walks, to do her regular thing. She started to give her child a lot of time and yet take out an hour for herself where she would go for her walk. She started to understand her priorities, and that's what she's going to tell me now. There's such a change in this woman. Almost full time. I wouldn't say.
Yeah. Good, very good.
Earlier she would be so stressed that, just with this 2-month-old baby, I have to clean the house, I have to do this, I have to do that. My husband has to get the food on time. And with all this, what ended up is the depression, where she stopped doing everything. Now she says, I know, I have a 6-month-old baby. She's going to mess up, my son is going to mess up, and yet I'm handling things better, cleaning the house better, doing my job better, because I have somewhere relaxed and calmed down. Because every woman loves to look pretty, good. So moral of the story, don't waste your money in facials and bleaches. Come to homeopathy. Because really, from within you start feeling the change. From within you start feeling better. And that is what we aim for in every single patient. She actually told me at one point in this whole video, it was so unnecessary, all my thinking. And my husband was so good and things were happening. But I just couldn't see it that way. I wish I could be able to see it. And the good thing is, your medicine allowed me to see it. So now I look at things differently. And naturally, she looks good and more happy. Yeah? So that is the end of my talk. I want to just tell you one more thing. today in your takeaway gifts, yeah, there is a little paper that I have put in. Yeah, one is our newsletter from the other song, which is also very good. And there is this one, which is an article taken from my book. And it is all about how everything is within us. And if we can change ourselves, we can bring about the change in the world that we are looking for. I would really want you to read that, because that will open up your eyes to a very, very different sphere in homeopathy. And it will help you to understand the depth of this science and the scope and the vastness and the immense change that just these small pills can bring about. Thank you. Thank you so much.